The point of this video is to show you how you can leverage testimonials or reviews on other competitors of yours and get results 3x, 4x, 5x your return on investment on Facebook ads. We made this work for one of our clients just now, and over the past January 22nd up to February 22nd, which is today, they got 98 leads, which of those they converted 10% into actual deals. And I promise you, this is no rocket science. You will not have to get a diploma in marketing or read a whole book to understand what I will show you today. Or worst case scenario, buy a £999 course on digital advertising. And that's exactly what I'm here to do in this video, show you everything A to Z, how it happens. And we have to start off with the simplest thing ever, and I promise you it's gonna get more interesting than this, but stick around. So why do people actually buy from you? For example, from construction companies, from renovations. Why do people want to do renovations, right? And here are three things that I thought about. The first one is they have an old outdated interior or exterior, right? And they want to change around, right? That's the first thing. The second thing, they want to increase the property value, right? Okay, and the third thing, they just bought the property. And these are only the three things that I thought about. 100, probably 1,000 or million other reasons why would people go ahead and actually do renovations. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just use your competitors, go ahead and scrape their reviews, and see what people say about them, what they did like about the work, what they dislike about the work. And then we're gonna input all of that information into ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can go ahead and create our ad scripts, create our ad copies, headlines, create everything, right? So what we need to do is go into Google Maps, search up your local area. Instead of going ahead and pressing on just one business and clicking reviews, you can see tons of reviews load up with pictures even, and you could go ahead and just do it like this and copy all of them, right? But as I want more data, because more data allows you to get more information, and more information means better results, I will go ahead and just click on this one business, copy, go into Appify and find Google Maps review scraper and just paste the link in, add another one. And after I have put in about 5 different companies with tons of reviews, I'm going to go ahead and find companies that have low review scores that are below 4, let's say, because we need to not only understand what is winning, we need to understand also what people dislike about the service. So ChatGPT has all of the information necessary. Copy this one, and they have negative reviews also, so that's really, really good. So we're going to just take this, put it in there. And over here, number of reviews, how many we want to scrape. Let's do 500. We want 500 reviews. After this is press start. I'm going to press start and go get myself a coffee while it scrapes. So we're going to press export 333 results. And we're going to select fields, which are, we need to find text. So we're going to select only the text field because pretty much that's the review and that's all the information that we need. So over here, you can see there's tons of reviews, right? We're gonna import the CSV. We're gonna import the CSV over here. And then we're gonna go over to this document. And I have 2 prompts here. So the first one is used to analyze the reviews. So paste the CSV in, paste the prompt in, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so we have 10 short ad hooks that we can use. And these are pretty good. What we can do is just copy and paste them and just paste them over here, right? And the second prompt is a bit more targeted towards the ad copy itself. Take these 10 hooks generated from the first prompt and expand them into persuasive ad copy using Cloud C Hopkins advertising frameworks. The ad copy should be specific, focused on customer self-interest, and include a strong offer and a clear call to action. Each ad should follow this structure, right? So we want to have ad copy and see what it comes up with. So your dream home painted to perfection. A fresh coat of paint can transform your space and add thousands to your home's value, whether it's modern refresh, or a complete color change. We deliver stunning results within 48 hours. This is the one I want to go ahead with, and I want to ask ChatGPT to go ahead and give us a longer ad copy that we could use. Right? So we want ChatGPT to go ahead and expand on this copy and create a full one. So imagine stepping into a home that feels brand new, walls flawless, colors vibrant, and every corner professionally finished. Okay, this is really good. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this into our doc over here. And then all that it's left to do is go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate us a voiceover, because we're gonna be doing video ads, and we can go ahead and now generate me. What I'm gonna do over here is play around with this script and try to make it really persuasive. Go ahead and record it and show you guys after. And as I said, I will go ahead and go and record the video, and this is what I came up with. You now can transform your home for as low as £2,000. We're your local team delivering painting and decorating services, and we're saving homeowners hundreds off of their previous quotes. Not only we're doing their interior painting, decorating, but also exterior and repairs. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so we bring unmatched attention to detail. Our team uses only premium tools and expert techniques to deliver flawless results. With hundreds of successful projects and tons of 5-star reviews to back it all up, you can count on us to bring your vision to life. So if you want to see if you can get a new paint job and other exteriors for as low as £2,000, click the link below for an instant quote. Yeah, so this will be 100% perfect. We can go ahead and test it. And as we have ad copies, we have hooks over here that we can use for our text. It's just gonna be really, really easy and quick. So we will go on to Facebook and create a new campaign. We're gonna click leads. And this is pretty straightforward, right? There's nothing really hard about it. It's really easy to set up these campaigns, and all you have to focus on is actually getting the targeting right and getting the copies and your creatives right, because those are going to be the biggest because those are going to leave the biggest impact on your results, right? So we're just going to call the campaign today's date, right? And we're going to call it leads and painting, right? We're going to go into a new leads ad set and call this one broad. And we're going to select instant forms, maximize number of leads. The budget we're going to leave at £20 a day, and the location where we want to target Ealing region. So this is going to be good. We're going to go down to like 5 miles I think. Yeah, that's great. 977,000 to 1.2 million people. Perfect. Advantage plus audience. Yes, we're going to go ahead and select our audience from 30 to 64. We're going to do all genders, all demographics, and all interests. Advantage placements on. And now we're going to go ahead and put it in our ad. So we're going to call it ad 1, right? We're going to call it ad 1. For the Instagram account, we're going to select use Facebook page. And for the lead form, that's set there. And now we're going to create our creative. We will start off with the video ad. Remember to actually trim this so it looks correct on some other placements, so it's not just randomly around the screen. Everything fits perfectly. And now we can go ahead and put in our ad copy. Imagine stepping into a home that feels brand new, right? So we're gonna take that off, and we're gonna just leave it. Whether you're refreshing your space or preparing to sell, our expert team guarantees a stunning transformation in just 48 hours. So we're gonna, but here's the catch: we only take on 5 projects per week to ensure top tier quality and attention to detail. So we're gonna leave this like this. Why homeowners trust us. Precision. Okay, this is good. This week only. We're gonna leave this out. Click below to lock in your free quote before it's gone. So we're gonna leave it like that. This is really good. This emoji, I want to change it to something different. But over here, this one, right? This one is the ad like hook that we need to change from these and do this one. But before we do that, we need to call out the local audience. So we're gonna do Ealing and surrounding area homeowners, right? And we're gonna do top rated painters you can trust. So this is really good, and we're gonna go ahead and paste this over here in. primary text, right? And now we need to just separate it so it looks good. So we're gonna paste that there, paste that in there. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. And now we need to go ahead and do the headlines. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and ask him, hey, give me 10 high converting headlines up to 50 characters maximum. Flawless paint, fast and affordable. Transform your home in just 48 hours. That's 100% the one that we're gonna use. We wanna shorten it so it actually fits on the screen. And fast, free, mess-free painting done right. So this is also one you could test. And for the form, it's gonna be really straightforward, really simple. We're gonna use the form we've always used. So schedule your free quote, fill in your details, qualify and receive your free quote from one of our experts. Then the next question, do you own your home? I own my home or rent my home. What is your ideal budget range? Then we understand the budget. And then here's the ending page. We will reach out in 5 to 10 minutes. I know a lot of people use like one more step or something else, but this has worked really well in my opinion. We got really good response rates from this. I'm not going to click publish because we already have ads set up, but this is a definite winner that you could use. And I've modeled this also off of our previous winners, so I know this is going to work, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to work one-on-one with me to scale your construction or renovation business, you can click on the link below and book a call with me. I'd be happy to help you. Bye.